Well, that can't do. I think I can use that space a bit better. 3, 2, 1. Now, much better. So guys, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to be doing a short kind of a tour of the workshop. I decided today, I cleaned up the workshop. As you can see, there's still a bit rubbish there, but that's kind of always there. This main work area, that's what I work with. I don't always have the kind of D40 and stuff there, or my drills there. But I try to keep this as clean as possible, but obviously just any workshop that's dirty has been used, do you know what I mean? But just on the rare occasion, it's looking really nice, so I said I might make a video for you guys. And then obviously it has come up very well. So to start with, I might start in this corner. So just, I have all my tools hanged up. Mostly, this is kind of like my paint shelf. I have all my paints. I have a load of paints actually in that cabinet as well. These are old cabinets that used to be in the house years and years ago. Obviously we have new ones now, so these are old, but they actually are ideal for the job, and I've used them ever since. Sometimes this gets so dirty and there's so many parts like put up against there, you can't actually access these. So, but it's doable. So anyway, on the top shelf here, yes, it is a bit messy, but it has everything that needs to be there. That's a bits and bobs box with Scotch-Grit cloths on top. There's wire. There's my 2 rulers that for measurements. Strimmer twine, different spanners, my wire brushes, more hammers, your all important level, small but it does the job. Files, and they do all the work. These 3 files, great job. These files have done all the filing, from sharpening blades to making parts for models. It's serious, and they're working great. It's unbelievable actually how well they lasted. And they only came out of I think Aldi, to be fair. Then this box, put that in. That was a new edition last. I had this over a year, but I said I'm gonna put it up here because this is such a nice place to have it. So it holds a lot of projects that I'm working on, like a New Holland there. I'm working on. Says animals. That's the baler I'm working on. Now I have to get back to that project, but it's nice that everything's there where it should be. On that one, keeps everything that's together that needs to be together. Just bits and pieces here. And obviously we have 2 drills. This one, the first gear doesn't work in it anymore, so I had to get a new drill, and then I just use them in tandem with each other. I will say the most used and most valuable and the most best thing I bought for this workshop was this vise. It's only a small, it's not a massive vise by no means, but it does the job for me. I put this in back in 2019, end of 2019. I bought it. I bought a good vise, well used, and it has done all the work so far, and it's a great job. I was under that piece of timber. That's only a piece of timber there. We have my socket set. I have bits and bobs there for my spark plugs to plug wrenches. They're all in there. Then all important over here.
Oh jeez, we're done. She can't left entry, 2 bales.
Fucking hell.
250 up the middle.
Ah, Jesus, no fucking.
Mind the bale head, mind the fucking bale. Curse it, Jesus Christ. Ah, Jesus, we're going to be stuck.
Fucking so happy.
You're fair off, man. Oh, Jesus. 250.
So this is the all-important Craftsman toolbox. Restored this recently. I just put all the tools in and started organising it, you know. All the screwdrivers in there, bolts, washers, all them, they're all together. And then obviously the bottom is for tools that I don't necessarily use on a daily basis, such as Jubilee clips. That's for valve grinding paste and set. And then I have like bungee cord and pull rope for the lawnmowers if they ever break. But I have to actually get more of that. Yeah, it's just a semi kind of organised toolbox that just holds things that need to be held, and that's what they're there for. Now my cable, fluids on the ground there, chainsaw oils and different things. Over on this wall it's a bit less organised, but I have my hacksaw. I always leave my hacksaw on this side. My brand new grease gun I got there recently for greasing up the tractors. Great job. All important fire extinguisher, but hopefully I don't have to ever use that. I just keep it safe, and yeah, but it's good to have. I'm working on a Grease Hog lawnmower. That's the project I have here. Now it's not a big workshop. Originally all the lawnmowers would have been stored in here. We only had 2 or 3 at the time, so that's when I had to build my secondary shed, which is out for the lawnmowers especially. But because I'm working on this one, that's why it's in here. I'm doing a lot of fabricating work with it, and the stuff here, I know it looks a bit disorganized, but they all kind of have their place. I always put the tools back where they should be. Eventually, many great things have been brought out of this workshop, from the tractors to the trailers to the implements. All the implements you've seen me make, my steamroller, my steel tractor, they all came out of this workshop. Different tools, like a lot of the projects that I have now was actually, you know, built here, repaired here, and eventually resulted in actually joining the rest of it. So yeah, it's great, and yeah, a nice idea of what possibilities you can do in just a small little space like this, what you really can achieve. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bye for now guys. Good luck.
This car's simply that.
Whisht! Go on, I said. How are you, boss? Don't go on that. Bus stop left entry. Bus stop left entry. Probably like the last one.
Jesus, that car's fucking tight.
Go on straight through, it'll be fucked you. Give your man something to do that. Look at hands in his pockets. 100 and square left at the trees.
That's right, Benny.